and gentlemen, how you doing? This is Matthews from FOREX Traders. I hope you're doing great. I'm back again with another awesome video for you guys. This is a trade forecast of Euro Swiss. Okay, I want to show you what I'm seeing right now, and yeah, we'll analyze it together and see what happens afterwards, right? So this is what I saw on the 30 minutes time frame. If you can look at this level here, we can tell that the market is in a downtrend, right? Making lower lows and lower highs. And then market made a low here in the high, then market made a lower low right there. After that, the market broke this structure right here by formation of a higher high here. Okay, and of course, once that happens, that signifies a change of market direction. And yeah, from then we just wait to see how the market starts to come back to our level, and we will just play the patience game, right? Yeah, so what we had here is the market giving us a support here, went up and gave us another support here, but something very interesting happened. Because of this, I was expecting for price to actually come back to our level here so that we can actually buy at this level, but something interesting is happening. If you check nicely at this level here, you realize that market gapped. Okay, so market gave us a gap right here, then came to our level and gave us a pin bar. So I believe that the market is going to close this gap and push the upside. And also after taking out the liquidity below here, the market, you enter around exactly this level, and then the market pushes to the upside, right? And you can see there's already filled up this gap here, which is a sign that the market is going to continue going upward. And yeah, that feeling right there is just an added confluence. As you can see, the market was already, this move was already predetermined. I mean, it was already analyzed. Okay, it was already analyzed, and I was actually waiting for price to react from this level. And this is around 01. It's actually past midnight. Yeah, you can imagine. And the market is now pushing to the upside like that. All right, so our stop loss is about 18 pips, and our target is almost like 200 pips right there. This is on the 30 minutes time frame. Yeah, basically this is how it is. So we have our Quasimodo strategy, our Quasimodo setup with a fake out. So it's what you call as a QM+FAKEOut, right? It is resist support, and the market breaks down, takes out the liquidity and pushes to the upside. Okay, so once that happens, meaning these orders which were left around this level, they're being filled up and the market takes off to the up, going to the upside. So this is how it is. So the goodness with this strategy is that it offers us a very good risk to reward ratio. We always have bigger risk to reward ratio. As you can see, our stop loss is just maybe below somewhere here around 15 pips there, and our target is that much. So risk to reward ratio is very good. And as you can see, when the market starts to come here, it was actually compressing, then market takes out the liquidity and then pushes to the upside. Yeah, so we hope that the market can continue to push to the upside. And yeah, otherwise, this is what I wanted to share with you guys. I hope that you'll be able to see this trade early enough so that you actually take it. So if you're new to our channel, please consider subscribing. We provide very valuable information here. Also, if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always watching our videos. We appreciate your support. Please like the video, comment in the comment section. Let us know how we can improve and continue to serve you better. All right. So if you need any of our services, we offer mentorship and signal services with setups. We also offer ebooks. Please, the links are down in the description. Please don't be scared to actually talk to us. All right. Thank you so much for watching, and may God bless you and have a good one. Thank you.